Hi, my name is Ali with CAPS at UNM. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Citations Manager Zotero to create an APA formatted reference list. To start, I'm just going to Google Zotero and go to zotero.org. From there, navigate to the download page and install both the desktop application and the browser extension. Once the browser extension is installed, you'll notice an icon in the upper right corner that says Save to Zotero. For this, I'm using Windows and Google Chrome, but you can also use Mac or another browser. Let's go ahead and open up the Zotero desktop app. This is where you'll find your references after you've saved them. To save a citation, go to your article that you want to cite. And here I'm using the University Libraries page to find my article. And I'm going to click on Full Text. And at the full text of the article, I'm going to go to that icon in the upper right and click on Save to Zotero. And you can see at the bottom that it's saving to the desktop application. There I can open up the desktop application and I'm going to see it under Unfiled Items. And to create the citation, you want to right-click, go to Create Bibliography from Item. Make sure you have American Psychological Association 6th edition selected. And for output method, I like to say Copy to Clipboard. From there, you can paste your reference into Microsoft Word. So here's my reference, and you can see that the indentation is a little messed up because the margin's looks a little less than 1 inch. So I'm going to fix that by grabbing this arrow and dragging it to the 1 inch mark. And to create my hanging indent, you can select the article and hit Control and T, and you can also right-click, go to Paragraph, under Indentation, Special, and select Hanging. So this is my reference in APA format. If you have more than one reference, you can select all of them, right-click them, and do the same as you did for one, and it'll include all of yours when you paste them in alphabetical order. Zotero isn't perfect, so you also want to compare your citation with the Purdue OWL site to make sure everything looks good. Since this is an online article, we want to go to Reference List Electronic Sources on the Purdue site. And yours should look like this example under the heading Article from an Online Periodical with DOI assigned. One thing that Zotero might mess up is the capitalization for the article title. This should be in sentence case, and sometimes Zotero in its citations has it in title case where every word is capitalized. So you want to make sure that you look through and see that it's in sentence case where only the first word is capitalized and the rest are not unless it's a proper noun. You can also go to the Purdue OWL sample paper, and if you scroll down, you'll find an example of a reference list, and yours should look somewhat similar to this. So this has been a video on using Zotero to create an APA reference list, and I hope you found it useful. Thanks.